do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a cash collection, but from my 5 worst machines. So these aren't technically bad machines, they're just small sites. And I've been getting a lot of questions being like, what are the ranges of revenue that I get from vending machines? And I feel like people only show the best sites, and I'm definitely guilty for it. So today I'm going to show you my top 5 worst sites. But I also need to fill them up. So I'm going to grab these crates, grab the boxes, fill it with stock. So let's go. I did just receive an email from, I don't know if I should say the company because it is a company that I always shop from, but they have given me a list of discount that they can give me to better another company that I normally shop at. So, once I get back from New York, I think I will be shopping there a lot more than I normally do. So yeah, I'm excited. Obviously that means I can get cheaper margins, better margins, sorry. Guess that just comes with a whole positive of doing YouTube, TikTok and Instagram. You do get benefits like this, putting yourself out there. So yeah, I'm excited. I have worked hard for this. So hopefully this inspires you to create content, even if it's not with this sort of business. Don't forget to check your dates, guys. These are still in date. I think these were just overstocked from last week. These are out of date though. So the 5 sites I'm going to today, 2 are council buildings, so like they're run by the council. They're all, both office buildings. Another one is a gas company. The third one is a storage place, bit similar to this to be honest, but I don't have one in this building. And then the last one's like a small warehouse. So it should actually be done quite fast today. I do have some shipping to do for another video I'm doing for this channel, but it won't be up until the end of the month because I am flying out to the States next week. I'm hoping when I'm away my parents will come and sort this mess out. You can't see it on the camera I don't think, but this is a little bit of a mess right here. So I'm hoping that they come and will sort this. It's not as bad as it normally is, I'm not gonna lie. It probably take 10 minutes top to bag it up into plastic bin bags. Don't know if I said this in my previous video, but like the past month I've had so much stock go out of date just because of the sheer fact that I haven't been paying attention. Luckily I've caught it in time for what was in the vending machine, but I just didn't look so I could rotate it into different vending machines. Otherwise I wouldn't be writing off all this stock. Like I've got a bunch of twirls here that have got July on them, so I might have to get a bunch of reduced stickers. Yeah, I've got nearly 2.5 boxes, so I think I might just have a sale on twirl bars because I could stick them in for £1 and I can see them flying. Yeah, so I think that's something I'm gonna do. Right, I've just got to the storage place. This one's probably my busiest one for today. It has got a can machine in here, but I'm not filling that one up today because I filled it up a few weeks back and I only have to fill that up probably every 2 months because it doesn't have a card reader on it. So I'm going to head in here now. It's really annoying though because there's a door right next to the machine, so I have to keep opening and shutting the machine. Well, close the glass. Right, I'm going to film on my phone while I'm in here because it is a public space and I don't want to bring this camera in. See you in a sec. Okay.
I've had no one here all day either.
No, I mean, yeah, I know. It's my only site that does this as well. It's the only site that has like a door next to it though. Right, I wasn't expecting it to have that much change in it, to be honest. Okay, so the next place we're going to is the gas place, which is about 30 minutes away. And then, I've got right itchy nose, I think it's hay fever. And then we are going to the 2 office buildings. And then we're finishing the day with a warehouse. I've also got to ship these 3 parcels. So I'm going to head there now. I will see you when I get there. Right, I've just got to the second location. I am more than likely not going to be able to film in here because they're always in the break room, but I'm going to try and get the shot of the before and after of the vending machine and the cash. So, wish me luck. So, what you're saying, it is my fault?
No, it's a bonus, so if I get up late, I can just run.
Yeah.
Or you allow me to be lazy.
Yeah. Okay, guys. To the first office building. I don't really think this one needs filling up, so I'm probably going to be in it like 2 minutes. I need to fill it up because I'm going to New York in like 4 days, so I just want to top it up, basically. So I'm going to collect the cash though. Yeah, I'm going to be in and out of here, and I'm going to head to the next office building after that. Right, just got to the second to last place. I'm gonna head inside and should be really quick because again, none of these really need doing. I am just topping them up because of New York next week. Didn't mean to do that. Didn't mean to do that. Hang on, why is this now green? Anyway, I think I just filmed that without the mic on. What does the green mean? Ooh. Right, so I just headed out of there. I just filmed that whole thing without the microphone being on. And I didn't expect there to be that much cash in all these machines, so I'm heading to the last place now. It's right around the corner from my house, and then I'm going to head home, count the cash, and let you know how much change is been all in the machines altogether. And then I'll let you know how much card as well. So, let's go! Okay, I've just got back. I've got the bag of money here, and I'm going to count it. One sec. Here is the bag of money. It's not actually a lot. So here's my hand. There's some money from last time. There's me with some cool glasses on when I was about 2. Yep, just to expose myself. That's some money from last time that I bought. There's some money from last time that I collected. I've still not banked it, but yeah, this is probably about 350. I'm gonna guess. You know, I'm not good at guessing. If you've watched my previous videos, so we could be way under, we could be way over. I'm just not very good at this game. So yeah, I'm gonna count this money, and then I'm gonna get back to you in a minute with how much we collected, and I'm also gonna put on the screen how much those 5 machines did in cash and card in about 3 weeks. So let's go. Okay, so we have £400, and then in this little pile here we have some change, which is about £25, I reckon. I'm going to leave on the screen now how much it did in card and how much it did in cash in 3 weeks. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment, subscribe if you are new. I've got so many more subscribers than I have since the previous video and the previous video before that, so thank you for subscribing. Yeah, and let's see if we can hit 5,000 subscribers in the next, I don't know, 2 weeks. So yes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you want to join the course will be linked in the description below, and so will all my social medias. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.